What's up mga lodi? So this is my overlooking here. So by the way, si Haring Araw hindi pala siya nagpakita today, but anyway, it's a nice weather. Yeah, because next month is the autumn season already. So pag going to winter na. By the way, what is the red here? It's Red Cross. Charot. This one, nagcharot lang ako. Today is Saturday weekend, so tomorrow is holiday. So this will be going there. The seaside. It's very nice place. Yeah, this I'm going there. So yeah, kung gusto mong mag-boating, you can ride the boat there. And then here is, what this is? That's a traffic. Yeah, because it's the last. Everybody's going back home. So today, some other of the offices is not working.